Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So we have just to wait for a few more hours to see the new Samsung Galaxy S21 lineup, the Galaxy S21 Plus, and the Ultra. But now, more Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra zoom camera detail is surfaced. The famous Twitter leak starts Ice Universe tweet. He says the S21 Ultra 10x optical variable camera is the most advanced. We know pretty much everything there is to know about the Samsung Galaxy S21 lineup. At this point, Ice Universe is still giving away some small but important detail about the device. This time, it's about the Galaxy S21 Ultra and why it might prove to be the best phone for the telephoto shoots. The detailed specs of the 10x zoom camera are no longer a secret. It will use a best in class 10 megapixel 1 by 3.24 in a size, and with a 1.22 UM pixel, the lens feature f4.9 aperture OIS and 240 mm 10x periscope telephoto zoom. But the most important bit is the periscope system does the 10x zoom by just 2 refraction instead of 5 like the other periscope system do. This should result in improved clarity and overall quality of the image because refracting the light into the sensor just twice is considerably better than 5 times. Surely we will get more detail when the phone is launched. And now another report and leak says the period to Samsung Unpacked event that will take place today. A threaded a Twitter spills much about the Galaxy S21 series a day before its official unveiling. There are some hands-on images, as you can see, that confirm a few things that have been suspecting in recent week, along with the alleged suggested real price for the US market as well. The Twitter leak star Mr. Tachi we the Tachis is leaked some images of the S21 Ultra and S21 21 Plus, as you can see, and there is a lots of images he just post on her Twitter account. And also he says that the Galaxy S21 has a plastic bag, but it's more responsible now that the phone is MSRP is allegedly $800. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S21 Plus and the 21 Ultra both have glass ones. However, the leaker claimed that they feel like plastic, and wishes the Samsung tried to more closer emulated the matte finish on the iPhone 12 Pro. And the leak star Mr. Taichi says that the 4800 mAh battery on the S21 Plus, 5000 on the Ultra, same as the last year. Upload some images size comparison between the S21, 21 Plus, 21 Ultra and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So this is the latest update about the upcoming, which launched today after a few hours, the S21 series. Let me know in the comment section, are you exciting and waiting for the S21 series? And also like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out and bye.